guys, it is Kayla Shay and I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be making a quick and easy strawberry shortcake. So let's get right into the video. So the ingredients you're gonna be needing is a vanilla dessert shell. You can find this at your local Walmart or Food Lion. Original Cool Whip, Cool Whip, and you're also going to need some whole fresh strawberries. And I love these strawberries. I always eat these. So the first thing that you need to do is wash your strawberries. And then you're gonna get a straw and you're gonna stick them through the bottom of the strawberry to pop the stem out. And I love making this snack. This is something that I love to make. It's simple and it doesn't have a lot of carbs in it. It does have sugar though. So after you're done taking the stems out of your strawberries, you're gonna cut them. And I cut them this way because it makes them really pretty, even though it's not about presentation because it's gonna go right in my belly. But I cut it like so, like as shown in the video, from the bottom going down long ways, and it just makes it so much prettier. Here I'm just continuing to cut up the strawberries into pieces. So after this is what the strawberries look like, I'm going to then add sugar to the strawberries so they can sit for a few hours to get the juices out of the strawberries. You can skip this step if you don't like. And then after, you just build up with the cake, the whipped cream, and then add the strawberries on top. And then you're good to eat your strawberry shortcake. Thanks for watching, guys.